nonsense at all.
I've got shopping to do.
Oh, man.
Lots of stuff to do.
And on Christmas Day at the mayoral mansion, what do you have for Christmas lunch?
Turkey, of course.
Cranberry sauce.
Yep.
Pixie blankets.
Yep.
Roast parsnips.
Yep.
Brussels sprouts.
It works.
Brilliant.
Works.
What time are we coming round?
Anytime you like.
2 o'clock, is that alright?
That'd be fine.
Brilliant. I'll bring the mince pies as well, okay? There we go, wonderful stuff. And also, we need to get our next friend up, everybody. The man that makes Christmas happen. Let's give some noise, please, for Father Christmas. Here he is.
Hey! Hello, children. How are we?
That's it. Move over this way, big Santa. That's it. Up on the podium. Are you okay tonight, Santa?
Yes, I'm okay.
Have you seen lots of good children tonight?
I've seen an awful lot of good children, but I haven't seen them all.
Oh, right, okay.
I've been looking for them, but I can see that all down here. Yeah, I can see that all down here.
Now, you're in your sleigh over the back with the Tetnall Rotary Club, yes?
Yes, we are, yes.
And you're raising money for lots of charities. Going to get Roger over here. Come over here, Roger. Come around this side, Roger. Okay, if you just take Santa's mic a bit, Roger. There we go. All right. So tonight you're raising money for what charities? Tell us about that.
Is this working?
Yes.
Yes, today, ladies and gentlemen, we at Tetnall Rotary Club are collecting on Santa's sleigh for Compton Care, Acorns Hospice, and the Air Ambulance and other local charities. So dig deep and come and see Santa.
So Santa's in his sleigh right over the back there, yes?
Right in the back.
Can we give the Tetnall Rotary Club a massive round of applause, everybody, for doing an amazing job and raising lots of money for our great Wolverhampton charity. And David Hipgrave here as well tonight. Is this your first ever Christmas light switch on, David?
It is certainly, yes.
This is the best one. You've got the Mayor of Wolverhampton, you've got Santa Claus here as well.
Fabulous.
Okay, right, if you'd like to step up on here, David. Okay, jump over. Roger, move over. We're getting you the photograph as well. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready to kickstart Christmas here in Bantock Park? Can we give the City of Wolverhampton Council a big cheer as well, everybody? Because without these guys, tonight wouldn't happen. Right, this is where we're all going to count down. I'm just going to check the time. I've had the thumbs up. Yes, we are ready for you to enjoy Wolverhampton with the City of Wolverhampton Council and Signal 187, and of course our sponsors tonight, Grillit. Are you ready to count down, everybody? Yeah! Are you all going to be really loud for us? Yeah! If you've got something to flash, hold it up high. If you've got a flag, hold it up high. We are ready to count down, everybody. As loud as you possibly can. And when we get to 0, by the way, it's Merry Christmas, all right? So, are you ready? Yeah! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! Yes! There we are, the lights are on. Look at that lady there, how amazing is that? Merry Christmas from the City of Wolverhampton Council and Signal 187 and Grillit. Let's sing along to Mariah Carey, everybody.